Good morning to all. Yesterday we discussed about that salts, that is sodium chloride is the raw material which is a formation of different types of salts, and then which acid is present in that acetic acid, and that is vinegar in tomato or orange. These are that we discussed yesterday. And what is how is sodium hydroxide is formation. So that what is the uses of sodium hydroxide and chlorine and then hydrogen. And today we discussed about that salts of formation of bleaching powder and its uses, baking soda and their uses formation, and then washing soda formation and its uses. So then plaster of Paris and their uses, and then what is meant by that water of crystallization. These are the topics we discussed today. So first, yesterday we discussed the hydrogen and chlorine uses. Today, that mixing of hydrogen gas plus chlorine gas formation. What is this? Hydrochloric acid formation. Okay, hydrochloric acid is formation. What is the uses of hydrochloric acid? It is use of hydrochloric acid. Uses of hydrochloric acid is it's used in cleaning steel, cleaning steel, for making ammonium chloride, making medicines, and then used in cosmetics, so etc. Okay, that uses of HCl and ask, that's cleaning steels, ammonium chloride for making and in medicines, and then cosmetics. Now we go to the next salts, that is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, how does it form? That bleaching powder is the bleaching powder is formed so that the chlorine gas is used in this for making that bleaching powder. So that chlorine gas is passed in that dry slaked lime, okay, to produce bleaching powder. By the action of chlorine gas on dry slaked lime. In the beginning chapter I told you that is this is the common name of slaked lime. The science name is what? That is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, this is the formation of bleaching powder. The reaction is formation of bleaching powder is, that is CaOH whole twice, that is calcium hydroxide, with passing a chlorine gas, formation of bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2 plus H2, hydrogen gas is released. This is called as a bleaching powder. The common name is bleaching powder, but the science name is calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. Okay, the common name is that is a bleaching powder. That science name is calcium oxychloride. Okay, this is the formation of bleaching powder. Okay, next we go to that its uses, where it is used, that bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder. First, it is used in textile industries. Textile industries, to clean that such as bleaching means to clean that cotton clothes, cottons and linen like this. So it is used in textile industries, and it is used in paper factories. bleaches the wood pulp. Okay, that paper is made up of, that by that help of the trees, that in wood what is pulp is consist to clean that pulp, use that bleaching powder, so it is used in a paper industries. Next, it's used in washing clothes in laundry. It's used in washing clothes in laundry to wash the clothes. So in a laundry they use a bleaching powder. Okay, these are the uses. And then it is used in a chemical industries. It is chemical industries as an oxidizing agent. As an oxidizing agent. Okay, chemical industries, in chemical industries bleaching powder is used because it is used as an oxidizing agent. You know about that, I already told in the beginning chapter, the first chapter, that is oxidizing agent. Which one is that? I told you that. Okay, next, and it last is used in a for disinfecting drinking water. Disinfecting drinking water to make free of germs, to kill the germs. So the bleaching powder is used. Okay, so this is that uses of bleaching powder. And this all the salts are important topics. Remember this, you write down like this: the formation of salts like bleaching powder and their equations, and then uses. Remember this, all the points. Okay, next we discussed about that baking soda. Okay, write it all the points. Now we go to that topic is baking soda. Baking soda generally we used in a kitchen, such as in a making the tasty crispy pakoras, for making crispy pakoras. And in for making fast cooking, use that baking soda. Okay, to making the fast cooking, the baking soda is used. Then how does it is formation of baking soda? That I already told the raw material which one we used, that is sodium, or that is sodium chloride, or sodium or chlorine. These are that raw material which is used for making that all the salts. Already discussed, that is bleaching powder, also chlorine is used. In a baking soda we used for making that sodium chloride. This is a raw material plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia. By these compounds formation a baking soda, that is NaHCO3 plus ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Ammonium, this one is product is ammonium chloride, and this product is called as a baking soda. The common name is baking soda, this one, and the science name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate. This common name is baking soda, and this is the science name. How does it formation? By the help of the raw materials such as the sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. The formation of this forms the baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and another compound called as the ammonium chloride. Okay, next, if we take same this baking soda on heating, just on heating, this is the symbol of heat, what the product is formations, that is hydrogen is released, formation of sodium carbonate plus that formation of water and carbon dioxide. I already told you that as a hydrogen carbonate it comes, the product is formation water and carbon dioxide is released with this formation of a salt. This salt is a sodium carbonate. This salt name is sodium carbonate. Okay, next, you know that baking powder is different. Baking soda is differ, baking soda is different and baking powder is different. How it is differ? In for making that baking powder used, such as that is baking soda, that is sodium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate is mixed with a tartaric acid. Some amount of tartaric acid is added. This form as a baking powder with the heating with the water. Okay, so this is formation is that NaHCO3 plus H plus that CO2, that's H2O plus that is salt of sodium, salt of acid is formation. This is a baking powder. Where we used that is baking powder for making a bread and cake that is soft and spongy, for making bread or cake to become soft and spongy. Okay, this is that use of that baking powder. And one more is used in it is used as a side, that is baking soda, that is NaHCO3 hydrogen, sodium hydrogen carbonate is used also in antacid tablets also. Antacid, that milk of magnesia is also used, and that sodium hydrogen carbonate is also used in making antacids. Okay, because it's base, if acidity is increased in our stomach, we used a base to become a neutralize. We use any base such as a milk of magnesia or sodium hydrogen carbonate. In just you drink ENO also, that what is consist of that ENO, mainly it consists of that sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, next one uses is that one of the important use, it's used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers. So you know that fire extinguishers, which is put off that fire, used fire extinguisher, in that also used as a the sodium hydrogen carbonate is used. Okay, this is the important point. The soda acid fire extinguishers, which salt are used, that is baking soda is used. Okay, and right there for formations equations, you write down that this equation. Okay, they ask testing the questions by giving that use. So they how they use the soda, the salts which is used, soda acid fire extinguishers, name the salts and write down the formation of that salt and their equations. They ask like this, then you use that baking soda is used for making, used in a soda acid fire extinguishers, and the formation is that by using of sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. And then you write down the equation, that is NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl, that is okay, like this. This is the topic of formation of baking soda, uses of and their uses, and formation of baking powder and their uses. Okay, these are, next we go to the salt is washing soda. Okay, you write down that clearly point. We go to that washing soda. What is the how does that washing soda is formed? That is also obtained from that raw material, that is sodium chloride. That is sodium chloride. How it is formation? So again you write on this NaHCO3. That is which one is that? Baking soda. On heating, what we get? That is sodium carbonate, the release of water plus carbon dioxide. If you balance it, that's 2 here comes. Okay, first equation you write down. How does the washing soda is formations? By the help of that sodium hydrogen carbonate heating, we get washing soda. So that Na2, this product is formation sodium carbonate, and 10 molecules of water is mixed in this sodium carbonate. How much molecules? Remember that 10 molecules of water is mixed into the sodium carbonate, formed as a, that is sodium carbonate dot 10H2O. So this is the salt. What is the formula of washing soda? That is sodium carbonate with the 10 molecules of water. This is that formula of washing soda, and the science name is called sodium carbonate with the 10 molecules of water. Okay, this is a basic salt. This is a basic salt. The nature is basic salt. Okay, remember this also. And there what is the uses of this? What are the uses of washing soda? It's used in glass, for making glass, in a soap industries, and in a paper industries. Remember, these are all the things. It is used in a glass industries, for making glass, soap industries, and paper industry. And the second, it's used in a manufacture of sodium compounds. It is used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax, okay. This is the one of that compound name, sodium compound name, which is prepared from the washing soda. Next, and it is used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. Domestic purposes. Okay, it's as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. And then one more point is there, removing permanent hardness of water. Removing permanent hardness of water. So this is the uses of washing soda. Remember this in glass, making glass, for soap and paper industries. It's used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose, and removing permanent hardness of water. Okay, because hardness of water means that water consists of salts, different types of salts, no, to remove that hardness, so its washing soda is used. Okay, next we go to that water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Water of crystallization, in this year board examination, this asks what is a water of crystallization. It means it is a fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. It means a fixed number of water molecules is present, which I already told you that, for example, that is sodium carbonate 10 molecules of water. I told you that is a washing soda. Example is that 10 molecules, it's a fixed number of water molecules is present, then if a unit of salt is formations. This is the one of the example. And another example is copper sulfate dot 5H2O, fixed number, that is 5 molecules of water is present in the copper sulfate, that is then it is becoming that is blue vitriol, we commonly called as a blue vitriol. As the same way, third is ferrous sulfate dot 7H2O, that 7 molecules of water is present in that. And then many more salts are there with the presence of water, that is 10H, that is calcium sulfate, 2 molecules of water. This is called as a water of crystallization. Okay, if we remove that water, you heat it, it forms as a crystal formations. Okay, to remove that water molecules, what we do it, we heat that salts, then it evaporates, the water molecules become evaporates, then the crystals, white crystal is formation. Okay, this is about that salts. The last topic is that in of this chapter is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. This is commonly called as a simply POP. POP means plaster of Paris. How it is formation, that plaster of Paris, on heating gypsum, at 373 Kelvin. That what is the formula of gypsum? Dot 2H2O. That is calcium sulfate dot 2H2O, 2 molecules of water. This consists of 2 molecules of water at on heating this gypsum at 373 Kelvin. What happened? On heating, what happened? That it loses water molecules and form POP, that is plaster of Paris. That formula of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate dot half H2O, means calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This is that formula of plaster of Paris. Okay, remember this. The last, how does this formation of plaster of Paris if asked? That simple, CaSO4 dot 2H2O, on heating at a 373 Kelvin, we get calcium, that is plaster of Paris, plus 1/2 H2O is removed. Okay, this is a called as a POP, plaster of Paris, and this is a gypsum. This is gypsum, sorry, GYPSM, gypsum. This is about that gypsum, and vice versa. It can be again we formation from gypsum also by the help of that POP. This is also CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 1/2 H2O. If we add 1/2 molecules of water, then it formation as a gypsum again, which is used in a cement factories. This is okay, in a cement factories the gypsum is we used. Okay, this is gypsum and this is plaster of Paris, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay, last is uses of POP. Where we use that POP, it's also important. It is used in making toys. Second, we are used in for decoration purpose. For decoration, that is POP is used for decoration at home and in buildings. Next, making smooth surface. Making smooth surfaces at home. To make the surfaces smooth, we used POP, and then used to it is used in supporting fractures bone. It's used into supporting fractured bone in a right position, in a right position, in the right positions. Okay. If bone is fractured, then POP is used, that is some water is mixed, that 1.5 molecules of water then become plastering to supporting in the right position. There is a uses of POP. The POP color is white color. The color of the POP is white powder, or white color is there. Okay, these are the topics of the salts formation and their uses. Okay, this is complete of the second chapter, that's acid, bases and salt. And do notes at home and properly learn it. Okay, thank you.